Welcome back to my channel. This is CoinCode. I'm DMO. On this video, I'm going to show and share with you the top ways to get free cryptos. So stick around and watch to the very end because the last one will shock you. Before I start, shout out to Rodney Oden, Shada Singapore, Light Media, David Upaku, and Toby AA. I do a random shout out for all my subscribers, so subscribe and get mentioned on my next video. And turn on notification to get notified when I drop the next video. So now, let's move. Do you believe that crypto is the future of money? Of course you do, that is why you are here. However, based on the situation today, many people cannot afford to buy any crypto. But that does not mean you cannot get any crypto. On this video, I'm going to show you proven ways to get free crypto without any investment, so that you too can join the crypto train with zero capital. Give this video a like and try subscribe if you want me to be uploading this kind of informative content for you. The first proven way to earn free crypto is Bitcoin Faucets. Now, Faucets are platforms that reward users with crypto when they complete little tasks like typing captchas, watching videos, and doing surveys. There are many faucets out there, most are scams, which are just meant to delay users' time. But I'm going to show you a faucet that is trusted by over 2 million people. Contemply have paid over $3 million in free Bitcoin, and it is trusted by millions of people with good rating, as you can see, excellent. All you need to do, as you can see here, earn crypto by playing fun games online, get rewarded for watching video, shopping online, and doing things you love. Also share your ideas and opinion on business and real cryptocurrency. And you'll be paid in crypto, which is pretty easy. Just use the link in the description below to register. Now, the second proven way to get free crypto is getting involved in airdrops and bounties. I believe you understand what airdrops are. Airdrop is just simply promoting the awareness of a particular crypto and get rewarded with that crypto for free. It can be joining the Telegram group, retweeting on Telegram, or following them on Telegram. Now, understand something. Airdrops is the best way because it's a win-win method whereby you get free crypto and promote your project. I recommend you check out airdrops.io, which link is on the description below. This site shows you all latest and upcoming airdrops in one place, and also give you the step-by-step guide on how to participate and get the free crypto on the particular project. So make sure you check it out. The link is on the description below. The next and proven way to get free crypto is Coinbase Earn, which is on Coinbase. Yeah, you get paid with crypto for just learning about crypto, which is perfectly awesome. You also get paid with crypto for doing quick educational courses on specific crypto. Now, if you don't have a Coinbase account, use the link in the description below to register and take advantage of this free crypto. Now, the fourth proven and working way to get free crypto is public0x.com. Honestly, this is a very cool project which is loved by over 100 million people. It is a site where regular people like me and you can make blog posts and get tips by users in return to get paid with free crypto. However, it is true that most people will not get much from here, but there are good and informative content you can gain value from for free. If you are among them, use the link in the description to get started. Now, the fifth proven way to get free crypto is by playing blockchain games. If you are a gamer, then this is a perfect way for you, as I normally say crypto is for everybody. Now, TOWNSTAR is one of the most played blockchain game ever created by Gala Games. This company is founded by the co-founder of Zynga, who are the people behind most blockchain games, like Ville games and other blockchain games. In TOWNSTAR, you are basically competing in a blockchain ecosystem to build one of the top 200 settlements for each week and get rewarded with Gala tokens. One thing you need to know is that many people are using this site to make free Gala tokens, which are hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars. So use the link below to register and get paid while you do what you love. There is another blockchain game which is Lost Relics. This game has a blockchain marketplace within it which is powered by Ejin. Lost Relics is a blockchain form of PUBG, your favorite game, where you go to different world killing monsters, and when you survive it and get epic loot, you get rewarded with NFTs, which are not fungible. Now, one thing you need to know is that in Lost Relics, two things: you need to survive and get epic loot, you understand? And you get rewarded with NFT and can be traded on the marketplace like Ejin, which if this video get 1,000 likes, I will make a video explaining Ejin marketplace and how to trade NFT on it. So like and share this video with your friends. Use the link below to get started on Lost Relics. Now, the last way to get free crypto is on Binance. You can also check out that video at the top right corner on how to make passive income on Binance. Now, basically, Binance is the king of all crypto exchange. And it gives room for everybody to get free crypto by simply staking your already owned crypto on the exchange. Like when you stake their native coin BNB or your favorite coin, you get rewarded with other NFT and BNB itself within a period of time. Now, if you are new on Binance, use that video at the top right corner to understand the Binance interface. And also again, use the link below to register and get 20% discount on all your trading fees. These are some proven ways by which you can earn and get free crypto and make hundreds of dollars without any capital. Now, the challenge here is all these steps and processes require your time and dedication. So make sure you like this video and try subscribe. Turn on notification to get notified when I drop this kind of informative content. So see you on my next video.